In this episode of Aussie Car Flips, we got our hands on a 36-year-old 300ZX, but it definitely came with its fair share of problems, that's for sure. From rust holes and dents to mechanical issues, this one has it all, along with a few surprises as well.
No way! What have we bought, bro?
We're gonna uncover exactly what we've gotten ourselves into and face the reality of sourcing parts for a car this old. All in the name of restoring this iconic car to brand new like condition.
We found last night a 300ZX for $10,000. Twin turbo, by the way.
Let's go and take a look at it.
So we arrived on site nice and early, and this is the first time we're laying our eyes on the car.
Flynn? Very original.
Hot?
So hot. Black car.
So she's obviously pretty overdue for a service and stuff, eh? Yeah, so bloody strong. We noticed that under the coolant cap here it was extremely dirty, which is a bit of a worry, but it's not the end of the world.
The brakes are so sticky. Oh my god.
What's that mean?
Holy shit.
As in you press them and they stay on?
Yeah, they stay on after I've released.
Right, yeah. Yeah, I know, yeah. Look, would you do 4.5 right now?
Absolutely not. Man,
No?
people offered me 8,000 last night, and I'm like, for fuck's sake, just stop messaging.
Okay.
And like I said, you were the first to message, then I, started at the bottom of the list and spoke to you, so I started the first refusal.
5.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take it, man. So we somehow managed to cop this one for only $5,500, even though his phone was completely flooded with messages. We're just going to take another look at it and write down exactly everything that we need to do so we know where we're at with it.
As if.
And then the end result.
What's that? What is that?
The end result will be,
Basically a brand new
I
one.
reckon, it'll look sick.
Man, we're gonna replace everything. Gonna get new ones of these. We're gonna get a whole new boot because the spoiler's fucked. It's plastic, by the way. It's not rust. But there's rust here. Look at that.
Ugh. Don't make it work. Ugh, sounds hollow.
Oh, sounds horrible. But yeah, so we're gonna get a new boot. Whole thing's gonna get repainted. Needs a new AC compressor. That bumper needs to be pushed in. It's gonna need some new brakes because these brakes are terrible. They're super sticky at the moment. Just ancient. Probably originals, eh?
Yeah, I felt a wobble as well.
Few big dents the painter's gonna have to take care of. So overall, I'm thinking 3K on paint. We're probably gonna have to spend 2 to 3K mechanicals. Maybe $3,000 because we need to do aircon, we need to do brakes, we need to address a little bit of a smoking issue, an overfueling issue. Bit of rust in the roof, but the guy gave us the original roof, so we're gonna be getting them painted black. How much did it take? Oh yeah, 50 litres. It's a twin turbo, mate. What do you expect?
They'll all be gone by the time we get home.
Yeah, probably. So yeah, we figured out what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the rear spoiler off altogether and just delete the tail light, and then yeah, it'll look pretty stock standard, the car, but that's what we're going for anyway. We want it to be appealing to everyone. What about the middle one, maybe? Oh, it's cracked, unfortunately, but. That came out quite nicely, actually. Oh. What the fuck? No. So weird. I want the camera to see this. It's so It's all rusting and corroded on the inside. That's primer, yeah. It's lifted the paint, you know what I mean? What, like it wasn't painted under there? Yeah, maybe. And then painted, yeah. Oh man. Flynn, focus camera for a sec. Go under there. Oh! Oh, no way ever. No way ever. Holy fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. And another one too. Oh no, that's a bolt hole. And that's a rust hole. Holy, what have we bought, bro? What have we done? We'll just cover that back up. Let's keep investigating. Bro. Yeah, I think you're right. It's never had paint on it. Ever. Just don't want to damage the paint. Not the paint, but the panel work too much with this driver. Is that... Oh, that's going to be hell ugly without a spoiler. Isn't it? Oh, is it? Yeah, it is. Bro. Ow. Ow, you bastard.
So as you can tell, it's pretty damn hard to get this thing off. I'm not sure what Flynn's trying to do with a plastic trim tool here, to be honest. But the plan is, once it's off, we're going to be able to actually assess, right, do we need a new boot? Can we even find a new boot? Or do we have to get it repaired?
I bet you the ZX community is going to approve of my technique. And I've dented the panel. Fuck's sakes. Painter's going to love me. Painter's going to love me. Something don't sound right.
At this stage, you can tell it's really not going very well, so we had to resort to desperate measures.
Watch this though, people in the comments. Oh, that's not how you do it. Ah! Oh yeah, we got progress all the way to there now. It's actually only stuck from the middle. It's all lifted here, look. Look at this. Oi! Plastic retainer clips, maybe? Those.
No, well, those, I saw those, they didn't have a bolt.
Oh, it must have been still glued in the middle.
Where are we gonna find a boot?
I don't know, I'm looking for a boot, rear trunk.
Oh, did that cost $700?
If this was for a 300ZX, it'd be $1,100 for one, and you wouldn't even get the pair. Scam. We're trying to find parts, and we're confronting the reality of how expensive old parts are for these cars. Now look at this. Ready? Piece of plastic, meter long, $500. If this was for a Land Cruiser, it'd be like literally $65. Look at that.
They know their market.
Okay, so we're not gonna find a boot. very easily. Right, so we're not gonna find a boot for this thing. I had a few people quote me from the ZX forum and they said, $1,200 for a boot. No way we're doing that. So we're gonna get it repaired instead. So we're getting it ready now, taking all the stuff out, ready to go down to the rust repairer, so then we can paint it. Here it is, back from the panel beaters. It's looking really, really good. And it's definitely taken a step towards the whole thing being repainted. But before we can paint it, we have to tackle those mechanical issues. And in next episode, we'll be going over everything that we have to fix. And we've realized the whole AC system needs to be ripped out.
I actually ended up just pulling the AC compressor really easy.
Oh, so easy. So easy. F*** you guy on YouTube.